This year, the American Kennel Club is hosting its 20th annual Royal Canin Dog Show in Cvent's #1 meetings destination.
We come here every year, so the convention center has always been amazing to us.
The OCCC and the entire Orlando destination have been going beyond national safety guidelines to keep travelers safe.
They've really been in the planning with us. They've adjusted, they've helped us with reworking some of the events, taking some things out, expanding grooming spaces. They've been helpful completely.
The convention center is one of the largest meetings destinations in the U.S., receiving the Global Biorisk Advisory Council STAR, an accreditation recognized as the gold standard of safe venues.
Every day we're temperature checked on our way in, given a sticker. Masks are worn all day long.
OIA, one of the country's top airports, is also GBAC STAR certified, so travelers know whether they are flying in or out, they are doing so safely.
Health was the #1 priority. That's the only way we could pull this off here.
The destination's hotels and resorts are following all nationally recommended and locally enforced health and safety guidelines, such as mandatory masks, social distancing, and sanitizing stations in lobbies for guests.
We're staying at the Hyatt again this year. We stay there every year that we've come to this show, which has been for many years, and their safety precautions we feel perfectly great with.
And the destination's restaurants are following similar guidelines.
Been out to restaurants and that sort of thing. Everybody's wearing a mask, social distance.
Now that events can once again meet safely, Orlando is excited for travelers, both new and returning, to come and experience all the destination has to offer.